When life throws you lemons, you sell them. Oh, it's just my bike chilling at 3 o'clock in the morning. Watch closely though. See it slowly. Now watch this. Oops. Oh, shoot. Okay, now we're back. I accidentally exit. Bam. So you can only visualize my state of mind coming in and seeing that. It'd be just like coming out of any horror movie. I'm still shaking a little bit. I don't think I hurt anything. Most of the stuff that could get hurt, I took off already. My clutch dumped out. I'll have to put that back in. But I bent this little mount here. I'm a glass half full kind of guy. It could be a lot worse. Let's get this thing together and be done with it.